Hello everybody, Calvin here.
And Molly.
So, we found out that this is really good lighting. It's just outside and letting the sunlight come in. And we found it's really good lighting and what the heck? And so yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this mix your own glow-in-the-dark slime. And we're gonna see if it works. So, let's open this thing up. And yay! And okay. Okay, so comes with this stuff and whatever this is.
Sneak peek of the surprise.
Wait, we're doing another. There. So we're doing another video soon.
And here's the sound.
Yeah.
And it sticks
So
to the
yeah,
wall.
so it came with this slime powder, the directions,
Of course.
which directions first, and this that we probably put it in. So yeah, we're gonna read the instructions off camera because
Hi, guys.
who would want to do that on camera?
Hi.
Who would want to see that? And yeah, so we're gonna read the directions and we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, also, Wally got a new item in his fish tank, so here it is. So there's the plant, big
Treasure
plant,
chest.
and the treasure chest. The guppies are saying hi. And then the Tetra's over there, pineapple, and yeah. So just
And
click on-
Doug.
Oh yeah, Wally
My
wanted to
sucker
name
fish.
the suckerfish dog. So, yeah, that's the new update on the fish tank. Okay, everybody. So, we filled this with water to the exact amount, and it should be ready, I think. So, open the pack of powder. Okay. Wally, I need you to be entertaining. Just talk to the camera while I go get the scissors. Talk.
Okay. So, this is poop. It is not like slimy. It's not sticky. It is just like
Right, yeah.
foamy kind of.
What? What are you
This-
talking about?
I'm talking about the poop.
Oh, the... Okay. Okay. So... Let me double check. We don't want to do this wrong.
Oh no. Mix, mix, mix.
Do not use your teeth. Okay, we just cut it.
I wonder why you don't use your teeth.
Because they don't want you to ingest it. So that would be bad. Okay.
Then your body would be slime.
No! Well, maybe.
Who knows?
Okay. Let's add this in.
Whoa.
Oh, something got on me. Look at that. It's like staying at the top.
Okay. Here's the mixer.
Okay. So,
I want to mix some.
I will get you, Wally. Let me just get some of the powder in. Alright, Wally, you may start mixing. So yeah, while Wally's mixing, I don't think this, I hope it works. I mean, okay. So now, we add it in. Use the wooden spatula to mix the powder into the water. Okay, so we need to mix it a little more, and then we need to shake it. Okay. Okay, so now, take this out. Pour it on as tight as we can so we do not spill.
That would be bad.
Okay, I hope this... Okay, it's not gonna spill. So now, we have to shake it for 30 seconds, I think. Shake it for 30 seconds. Let the contents sit, shaking the tube every few minutes. They will have solidified. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Afterward, you can open the test tube and have fun experimenting. Okay, so place slime under light course for a few minutes. Okay, so we need to shake this. It's definitely getting thicker. So yeah, we'll be back in a little bit. So it's a few days after, and slime turned out like this. We didn't play with it, but it said to play with it. So it's kind of more goo right now. So that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all later. Bye.